film because I haven't filmed a law school related vlog, I think since prelims last semester. So today is Sunday and tomorrow we have class already. I'm already third year, which is crazy. But yeah, kung napapansin nyo rin, I am in a different background. That is because I'm in my new place. So yeah, sobrang gulo pa ng gamit ko, as in. I haven't cleaned, I haven't put away stuff. Nag-grocery kami kanina, had to buy some stuff, deeper incomplete. But since it's already 6:30 na, I have to do more stuff. So I just wanted to sit down first and kind of explain what this video is going to be about. Kasi I plan to vlog the whole week since it's still the start, so I don't think there's gonna be professors already. Maybe sa ibang subjects, but thing is on the 16th and 17th we have the freshman orientation, so I think it's fun to bring you guys along during that orientation. So yeah.
Monday.
And this girl,
sabi ko kasi kahapon may pasok na nga, pero hindi pa ako papasok. Kasi mas importante makanood kami ng sine.
Guys, nagulat ako dito sa girl na to. Nag-chat siya. Sabi niya, uy, may pasok na kasi kami, naod tayo. So, ang intindi ko doon, akala ko may pasok na siya bukas, like may pasok na siya next week, kaya manonood na kami.
May pasok na
Sabi ko, okay, kailan ba yung pasok mo? Sabi niya, today. Sabi ko, ba't today ka din nag-aaya? Explain yourself.
So, hindi pa ako papasok.
She's not ready. We're buying milk tea. Here, sa sabi niya, she likes this daw.
Yes,
So,
natikman ko na ito sa Singapore, tapos matagal nang may oy, pero wala eh.
Sa fish pond lang daw. Char! Bye!
I'm gonna taste.
Harap. Kakatapos lang namin manood ng movie. Nabasa ko na kasi yung book, so si Maui hindi pa.
As in zero.
Okay naman yung movie, pero maraming ang natanggal sa book. So, madaming nasa book na tinanggal sa movie. So, akala niya si Atlas si Emerson.
Yun mo yung brother.
So, yun. Let's see kung babago yung rating niya pag napanood, pag nabasa niya na yung book.
Start na ako ngayon. So, we're here only for the breadsticks. Vlogger.
Sipag naman. May glass na sila. Hey guys. So, nasa Orgum ako. Sama ko si Bella. And today is Tuesday. Ngayon lang ako papasok. Evidence ko. So, sana wala pang prof. But, I'm here to show you some of the merch that we have received. The first is our Street Viper. These are all designed by Bella. And our stickers. Sobrang cute ng stickers. So, tatlong set to. Sa isang set, tatlong sheet. That one. This is the best sticker for me. She's fire. And attorney. Sorry, I did not read the case.
Gusto ko yung Beetle yarn.
Cancel yan. But yeah, busy kami this week kasi freshman orientation pa sa Friday and Saturday. Dry run sa Wednesday. So, good luck to us. But yeah, kung may prof na kami, try ko mag-video sa class. Pero bagong lipat kasi ako sa block ko. So, nakakahiya naman, di ba? Pero we'll see. And,
Anong masasabi mo?
ayoko na.
Diba? Yung kanina video, ayaw na rin niya. Pero guys, sipag at syaga. At konting panggagaslight sa sarili. At konting yan. And it's already 7:45. Nalilate yung prof namin. But, we're waiting. Okay. Today is Wednesday. Kahapon, nag-samgyup kami pero wala na akong wisyo para i-video pa yun. But kasama ko pa rin si Bella kahapon.
Hindi ka ba nagkasawa sa akin?
Hindi. Okay. Bukas ay online lang kami, pero may dry run kami bukas for orientation. So,
Feeling ko kisses.
done na ang class namin. Pupunta kaming church for good karma. O hindi. Hindi pa kasi ako nakaka-visit ng church simula nag-start yung class. Eh, kahapon lang naman ako pumasok at wala pang prof. So, finally, walang receipt. Sana mababait niyo yung mga profs talaga namin. Morning, guys. Ay, afternoon na ba?
Nakapag-park, nakahandad lang ako sa labas.
Ito na po ang free books ni Mr. Central. Today is Thursday at kami ay mag-ocular.
Ay, yung sticker ko na yung dito kahapon.
Oo nga, binalik ata natin.
Mag-ocular kami for the orientation tomorrow.
Si Alex. Kung to be.
Ang init sobra. Hindi kakain.
Kain na ba agad?
Alex, okay. Bigyan niyo pa kami ng category.
Gamit sa loob ng court. Gamit.
Hindi ko alam. Wala akong alam. Clerk of court.
Yan na lang. Ano? First year professor sa faculty.
First year?
First year. Kahit pa nila.
Hirap naman eh.
ELC lang maalala
Yun na,
ko.
yun ang sasagot ko.
Tama kami sana. O, next isa pa.
Ah, sige, ano? Ano na lang. Kahit anong program.
Civil code.
Panalo ko ni Alex sa podang.
Pwede tayo lagay mo yun kaya.
Podals. Anong sinabi ni Brian?
Kahit anong program.
Code.
Ready ka na ba sa orientation tomorrow?
Ako ba? Siyempre, hindi pa. Wala pa.
Ikaw, miss. Ready ka na ba sa orientation tomorrow?
Parang lahat ng loob sa akin ang gagaling.
Hindi parang. Lahat talaga. Ready ka na ba bukas?
Hindi.
Ready ka na ba bukas? Ito ang host natin tomorrow.
Hindi nasa likod ng camera.
Alam mo yung multo?
Uy, pwede mo ba exchange sa likod ng
She is the chief of the staff.
akin?
Sabla agad si Madam. Uy, alam mo, kaya confident ako na...
Good morning, guys. So, nasa org room tayo today. And ang aking mga kasama ay busy. Ayan sila, nag-aayos ng pub. Today is the freshman orientation. And it's only 7:45. So, mahaba-haba pa ang ating day. Yung iba dyan, 4 a.m. na natulog. Pero yes. May tax kami mamaya. Buti walang com na 1 hour. But, still, 6 p.m. yung class. May class kayo, no? Ikaw wala today. Yan, may mga class pa kami pero wala eh. So, okay, yun lang. Friday na.
Hello everyone, every 2, every 3.
One of two of our, ano raw? Isa sa mga host natin.
Fresh hirap during parang post-pandemic pa. So, it took us months bago lumigay ng blankets namin. So, yes, have our friends know more about each other. Mr. Lim? To know more about their application processes. And now, at this point, ano sa usually yung mga natatawag sa resume nila. Ayan na tayo sa one. Balita ko. Grabe ang tahimik. No student election justice na siya. Full essentials. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, pasok!
Music inductive argument. It starts from premises and in which you go.
See all the basic things you accomplish. But before we finally end,
Good morning guys, today is freshman orientation.
Tingnan niyo, Slay, ang kanya outfit. Oh.
And ang tanong enrolled ba yan?
Host ka daw dito, ikaw pa enrolled.
then ang nangyari is pinag-flash na go!
Because according to the
We're done. Kamusta naman ang ating host?
Wala na akong energy, parang ilang linggo akong walang social battery.
Naiwan siyang host kasi yung host natin kahapon had a meeting. And we're packing up. This is the end of the vlog. This is our first week. Nag-class ako kanina kay Gin Patungbakan sa Wills. And we already have readings. So yun yung start. But yeah. Kamusta ang first week nyo?
Ha? Pagod na. Sabay-sabay. Council
Okay.
work, aral.
So, aral na. Wala ng council work. But we do have bar send-off on the second.
Hi sa vlog ni Angel. I just wanna say na good luck. Ayun lang. Good luck sa kanila.
Good luck daw guys. May bas-bas na kayo ng kaka-pass lang ng bar. So, ayun. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!